Too many pretty girls here.
Jason's in love.
So many potential wives. You're gonna get copyrighted.
Good morning, guys. So, welcome to another fantastic day in beautiful Ubud, Bali, Ubud, Bali.
Beautiful and hot.
Beautiful and hot. It is. I think it's what 29 right now currently.
29C according to Google.
29, and we are just preparing. We're just packing. Well, Jay's packing. I'm complete.
Look at this.
He's ready for the sun.
The island life.
Island life coming up. So yeah, we are. Well, Jason's packing. I'm done packing, and we are about to leave shortly in an hour's time. Our driver will come pick us up, and we're gonna head over to Gili Air for 4 days, 3 nights, and just chill island life. It's gonna be good. Jay's gonna be exposed to the sun.
Don't want it.
Gonna get him like nice and dark.
Don't want it. Don't want it.
Nice and dark. Like he said, you hear him. Don't want it, but no choice. No choice.
Why did I come here? I chose to come here.
Look at him. He's all in long sleeves.
God, man. The irony of coming here.
Yeah. But today is just a travel day. It's gonna be a shit travel day. It's gonna be long. It's gonna be boring.
We'll be alive.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be at the Blue Marlin Dive Resort for a few days. Jay's gonna learn how to scuba dive.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna chill around and then join him. Hopefully we head to some statues that he found. And enjoy the underwater scenery. So cool. So cool. Alright, I'll see you guys a little bit later. And me and Jay are gonna start arguing soon.
Why you bring me here? I hate this place. I hate you. It's a preview.
Yeah. Alright, ta-ta.
You're monster, baby, but I've got the tickets. Come on, I thought you were fast. I spent them. Whoa, wait. Hey, wait. We're passengers.
Have you been through the inspection queue?
Of course. Anyway, we don't have any license. We're Americans. Both of us.
Right, come aboard.
One single fucking line is all I ask.
Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? Shut up!
This is the end. Goodbye, Mr. Squidward. No, Mr. Krabs.
6.5 hours later.
Hey everyone, we made it. We made it to Blue Marlin Dive Resort, and what a deal it was just to get here. Right, Jason?
That was the hardest thing ever done.
That was pure suffering. Added on top of the boat ride. But we did meet a few funny people.
Yep.
Funny people. Cool people, happy people, fun people. But yeah, we finally made it. Let me just rewind a little bit. Before even getting to this resort, we we did a quick Google map search, and we went to the original dive resort, which is out east that way, and it was wrong.
What was the name of that place?
Blue Marine. It was Blue Marine, but on Google Maps I think it's Blue Marlin as well. So yeah, we got there. It was fine. The roads were all right. Somewhat paved. So we made it there, and the guy's like, "You're at the wrong place." I'm like, like, all right. I'm like, okay, all right, okay. We'll just go. Next thing you know, we keep on walking about maybe 50 meters north. Turns into a beach, sand, and with luggage and the luggage.
Carrying luggage, yeah.
We had to carry luggage for I don't know, maybe 500 meters or so. This island's not that big, but you're tired, it's sweaty, you're sweating, you're hungry, whatever. Yeah, so we had to carry our luggage, cut through the little streets, which was a little bit decent. A good Samaritan showed us, pointed out how to get here, and we finally made it here. So, yeah, that was our travel day. It was fantastic.
One whole day.
One whole day, literally.
That boat ride. Oh. That boat ride.
Oh, it was funny because Jay was in front of me actually. He was sitting in front of me,
That was brutal.
and I was just watching him drip. So I was a couple rows behind, and everyone was just. Was that?
Was it way harder at the front then?
I think so because they closed all the windows.
Oh, it was so crazy.
So yeah, Jay was a couple rows in front of me, and I can just see him dripping. He is just dripping like
It was crazy.
dripping like
Like a
crazy.
faucet.
And you know Jay, he's all like covered up, right?
Yeah.
So-
Yeah.
So I'm just like, oh, poor Jay, and he is prone to seasickness.
Like, oh, I'm getting dizzy.
And so maybe the first half of the ferry ride, it was like okay, and then next thing you know, it was like, ba-boom, 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 boom, 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 right? But anyways, that's our story. That's our story for today. Didn't vlog. Sorry with all my. Sorry about my potty mouth. I'm just tired, and you know. But yeah, this is the room. Dive. Everything's right there. The office, the front office is there. There's 2 swimming pools here. We'll go out in a bit. That shirt is garbage soon. It's all wet. And so we have our little front porch. Right here. Drying rack. Then we have a very nice table here with the fridge that actually works compared to Evitel, which doesn't, and TV, hopefully it works. Closet space, most important, the AC is working. And Jay and myself are sharing this king size bed. And unfortunately Jay is doing poo-poo time. But I'll show you the washroom a little bit later. It has a nice sit-in faucet and whatnot, so it's very nice. There's marble. Very nice, very nice, very nice. High ceilings, yes, high ceilings. Fishies on the wall. But yeah, it's not bad. It's getting renovated, so hey. Yeah, so that is it, folks. We are going to settle down, find some food. Breakfast is included, sweet. And tomorrow is Jay's first dive at 11:30. I will go watch, document, and then later in the afternoon I will go. We'll go dive with him. So yeah, it's gonna be a good week. Good week, right, Jay? All right, see you guys.
We were drinking milk when I first got here. For the first week, we were still drinking bottled milk, but now we're doing really well on plants, so no more milk. Like,
Mama, then.
yeah, follows me around, and when I leave it, to go for the day,
Separation
it
anxiety.
screams. Yeah. And anybody else leaves it, no problem.
Yo, we are back. We are sharing a bed today, folks. Sharing the bed.
Hello.
Jay is ready to sleep.
I'm so tired.
He done. We are doing laptop work. Doing my expenses. Jay is making me spend way too much money.
Trying to make you broke. Trying to bankrupt you.
Bankrupt me and make me go home.
Bring you home. Mission accomplished.
Oh no.
Welcome home flag.
No. Not going home. Not going home. But yeah, we had a quick dinner and we watched the sunset. It was so romantic, y'all.
On the beach.
On the beach.
Eating coconuts.
Eating coconuts and talking to the locals. Pretty cool, y'all. Pretty cool. Alright, tomorrow's a chill day. Jason is
So,
diving.
learning tomorrow.
He's gonna surpass Colin tomorrow.
Oh boy. don't know if that's hard to do. We'll see.
We'll see.
Maybe I'll have some new respect for him.
Oh shit. But yeah, Jay was chatting up this girl today. It was good. I didn't even see her. I just like bolted in. It's like
Oh yeah, when we got to the hotel.
we got here. I was like, I just bolted. It's like, gotta check in. I'm like, I'm fucking tired. And Jay was
like,
just,
chatting her up. I thought she knew you. Like, oh, is that Hong's friend? She's friendly local.
friendly local.
Or maybe not friendly tourist.
Yeah. Hopefully we see her tomorrow.
Yeah.
She says she'll be diving with us. So we'll see. Be good. Anyways, time to bed. See you guys bright and early tomorrow. Ciao.